So you can see we've made a little bit of progress on this bathroom. So welcome back, YouTube. You join me on a Saturday. Yes, I know this is Monday. It's Saturday today for me. I'm actually working the weekend. It is crazy busy at the moment. So busy, in fact, I've not been able to record for a while, to be honest with you, because it takes me a while to record and edit in that. I've been trying to focus all my energy on helping people out. That's probably another customer now. But we're back for part 2 of this bathroom renovation now. You've seen in the first one the problems we had. Bathrooms, the start and the middle, are always the pain. They really am. There's always a curveball, always something that goes wrong. But this one, it ties it all together. You get to see the finished product. So I just want to thank you all again for your support. Honestly, really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please look at subscribing. It helps me out as a channel. You got any questions, drop them in the comments. It might take me a while this time of year, but I do my best to get back to everybody. Give the video a thumbs up and let's take a look how we finished off this bathroom. We've actually got some of the panelling now. I will record how to fit this panelling, so you see how to do the trim, the corner trim, the connections, everything. But time was against us on here. We lost a lot of time on that salt stack, a lot of time scraping the wallpaper off, so we've had to crack on and get this in. But you can see we've got these walls done now. We're going to finish off panelling this wall and that wall. We're in the panelling, the wall's solid, it's got no movement, you know, all these deviations, it will cover it all. That's why you save on the labour with the panelling, because it is like just one sheet and it's done. You can get the room done in near enough a day. So what Wayne's doing at the moment is putting the corner trim in. The corner trim's a little bit different. That's the bit that you'll see, and that's the bit that they're going to there. So he's going to cut that down, pull it into the corner, then we can get the panel into there. And it's like a tongue and groove. You see that? A bit like laminate flooring. Apparently these are waterproof. Look like MDF to me though, but they've been trying and tested, so yeah. We're just sort of laminate flooring. We all know what happens to laminate flooring when it gets a bit of water on it. But apparently these are waterproof, 30-year guarantee, so they've got to have been tested, else they can't advertise that. So a bit of panelling, you do the corner piece, you put a DC bead all the way down, like that. Then you put it into your corner, then your board should slip in and go onto there, if that makes sense. So you've got to try and like get it into here and get it into the corner at the same time, which is a pain. It really is. Yes. That bit was a pain. Absolute pain. This bit's going to be a pain as well. But after this one, we got it should be pretty plain. Hopefully, this will be the last hard one to do. He says, getting it in that corner was a bit of a nightmare. It looks really nice though. It does look really nice. So yeah, Wayne's just going to detail that up, then we can put it in the corner there. There's massive deviations in the ceiling, like so it's like that. It's been a nightmare. I don't know if you can see the bottom of that one. From that floorboard, see it's coming up. It was to keep it straight on there. So, panels all cut down as we want it. You can see behind it, the blobs silicone, the space in between them. It's not silicone, it's high gravity adhesive that comes with the boards. So yeah, we've got the corner trim to try and push in, and you're going into like here. It's just like laminate really, a bit like laminate. You have to put a bit of sealant on here as well, say silicone or the gravity, the adhesive, just to lock it in place, make it waterproof. And yeah, I'm just going to try and get this in now so we can't film it because it's going to take 2 of us, and it's honestly, these have been a bloody nightmare, these on. Alright, so board's in place, adhesive on there, corner trim's going to go in. You can see how they line up beautifully. So yeah, you got to get the trim on now, and Wayne's going there, pushing that back in. I keep saying on these videos, Wayne's just gonna, it's because Wayne, don't film me, I'll film Wayne. I do work, I promise. Don't laugh. So yeah, you just got to get that in place now. Try and hold on to it and push it back at the same time. There's somebody who probably does these all the time, we're going to be saying, you don't do it like that. Well, we am. It's going to work. So. Floorboard missing there, you know. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah, basically push it back now. Give it a whack onto the thingy. Yeah, that's that one in. So that one's all in now. We just cut that one down so we could put a full piece in there. So yeah, we have adhesive blobs, bang them in there. Don't forget to take off the plastic though. So that's what Wayne's just reminded me of because he started picking at it. So there is a thin plastic layer there. Don't take it all off. Yeah, I'll show you. So you just want to take off the edges. This stuff is a lot harder than your normal plastic. It is heavy, it's solid wood. It is a nightmare, man. It took us a lot longer than what it would with plastic panelling. There we go. So I'll take it all off and we're going to bang it in there.
You'll see the red one on there. There's a square with a circle with a cross through it.
So it's all slotted in. Before you put the final on there, you have to run a fine bead of silicone down there, and it all oozes out all over the board, which is great. I'll be honest with you, there's not much point in me filming a lot of that. It is just basically making your cuts, slotting it together. When you do your measurements, do top, middle, bottom. Because on this one, there's like a 20mm deviation in the door frame. That is spot on, perfectly level. That is like that. So yeah, bottom, middle, top, do them. And your heights as well, because we had 233 over there and 2334 there. So again, it comes down. But yeah, it's all panelled, mate. It's 2 o'clock on a Thursday. I'm so happy the panel is done because it's just been an absolute nightmare. I mean, we haven't had to take out the first fix on the water there to get that panel behind. See the marks on there? Oh, if you're struggling to get a panel in right, leave the plastic on and just boot it. Oh, they do. Wayne did that. He showed me that trick. And it worked, honestly, it worked perfect. There's a tiny gap on that. Kicked it and it went in perfect. So, I'm well happy with that. Right, so now we're going to first fix the shower because we've got the water off at the moment. So I thought, you know what? Let's just get the bar on the shower. These are dead easy to do, man. Really, really easy. So yeah, let's get the bits and pieces out that we need. We can do the rest another time. It's just how we keep on turning the water on and off. That's what I want. Easier. When you first fix the shower, you put your plates on like that. That's the ones that come with this. There can be different ones, but you just put that on. Mark the pipe. You just measure the excess, and you cut the excess off. Simple as that. Then screw them back to the wall. But the holes behind, you can see we've got a gap there. Just make sure you silicone and seal them up. So obviously we don't have no water going down the back of there. Pop them off now. Cut off that excess. Pop these on. Tighten them up. Well, shower valves all in, cut down, put on. It's dead easy to do. Just make sure the 150 centres and level. And shower valves on. The water's all back on now. We've got the isolation valve back in for the toilet. And we're just going to connect the valve. Now, how many times have you done one of these and forgot to put this on? So I've done it loads. You've got to push the button in to push it down.
Yeah, it's a bit tight.
It is really tight. I actually done one of these the other day and broke that.
All done that to me. I don't want to break it.
I did. I broke it. I had to order one offline. Yeah, got to push down on the try neighbour. Or bend the bloody bar. Them can be a little bit tight.
That was twisted.
There you go. So don't forget to put them on because you'll put it all together. You'll have your lovely shower and you think, hang on, where's the hose gone? Goes on that thing, so don't forget. But it'll just connect onto here, and then there'll be 2 Allen keys grubs that go onto there. There'll be a wall plate as well that goes on this part here. So all you do is put it on the wall, line it up, screw through, because these are wood. We ain't going about fixings, nothing. It's going straight through the wood. The line is still on this, so we ain't going about all these marks here. But yeah, make sure you rip off your covering before you put your shower on as well, because I nearly forgot. I nearly put it straight onto the plastic, so I'm just going to carefully put that on. Look at that, look an expert. Take that cap off, push that through there. There's your Allen key that you're tightening it on with. We're not going to do that yet, because Wayne's going to extend that arm where we want to see. You see, look at that, beautiful. And you're just going to mark around that then you can screw that to the wall. Allen key again that up, and that'll be your shower all in and done. Right, shower's all in, pretty straightforward. Connect the hose, connect the shower head. Now we are doing the glass screen. So we're going to put the trim in here. See there, these are my fixing points. So I'm just going to put it against there, make sure it's level, mark the holes, then silicone down the back of the profile, then screw it to the wall. As I said, that'll be solid anyway with just the MDF wood, but so you've seen us on the previous one, put a batten in there. So that glass is going absolutely nowhere once it's fitted. That's all been silicone back to the wall, screws them in. This is the scary part now, putting the glass in. I hate doing this, man. I have palpitations when pulling this, because I've actually had one of these shatter on me before. And I don't like doing it. So, wish us luck.
Just put it on the try and slosh you in. Yeah.
Sorry, I'll come off. Hold on. Have you got it?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
that right.
Yeah, it's good. I'll be in a moment.
Sound.
No, don't know what I was worried about. Easy. Alright, now we've got the glass in, the flap panel, you just silicone inside there, stick it in. And you see the seal here? You just push that in, that's it, that's that bit done. Yeah, flap panel in. We've got the stable seating. So that's just 6 big screws underneath there on the wall, nice and flat. All we did to find out the height of that was sit the customer down. Then she got a cushion underneath her. We took that height, she's comfortable there. That's the height of the seat. And Wayne is just putting in the grab rail. Now the grab rail on the instructions was in that corner. But we had a word with the customer and said, you might as well have it in the centre here, because what you do is you step in, you can grab it, help yourself in, and when you're on the seat, you can pull yourself up from it. So Wayne just marked the holes, CT1 around the holes, CT1 around it. The wood behind there, the wood in front, that will be absolutely rock solid. You could swing off that once it's in. It ain't going nowhere. It'll take some serious weight to get that off. It really will. So yeah, good luck to the person that ever has to remove that. It ain't going nowhere. Cheers, mate. So yeah, just got to screw that back to the wall. Not really done a lot of filming today. The reason behind that is we are well behind it. It's 7 o'clock on the Thursday. We've got one more day booked in on this. Yeah, it's been a nightmare. It's the panels that have took up most of the time. Sorry, why just screwing out? They're just really hard to. They're not like the plastic ones. The plastic ones you can mark, cut, snap, bosh, in, done. These ones, them thick MDF, them 10, 12 mil MDF, you got to cut them precisely and up and downstairs with them 1.2 by 2.4 sheets. They are heavy and a lot of work. Yeah, I'd say it took us about 8 to 10 hours. 8 to 10 hours to fit them sheets. So yeah, they am hard. Luckily though, obviously that room there is empty for us, so we can just dump all our stuff there when we're done and come back for tomorrow. It's the finishing touches. We've got the flooring to do, toilet. It's proper noisy, eh? We've got the toilet to do, basin to do, flooring to do, yeah. So hopefully I can film a little bit more tomorrow. It's a little bit quieter as well. Alright, it's the last day today. Wayne's getting on with the flooring, I'm getting on with the toilet. Now we've got this bit of flooring in. So toilet in place, an ideal standard toilet. So all I've done is mark on the floor where my fixes are going to go. So it comes with the fixings. So I'm going to move it out of the way now, put these on the floor. Hopefully they'll go through no problems. There ain't nothing underneath there, we did check. Then connect it all up at the back. I've got the bolts in, you'll see I've put one through there just to keep it where I want it, but I've gone straight through the plastic. Because we're going straight into wood, we know there's nothing underneath there. Them ain't moving anywhere with them two there. Them two are just there to hold it in while I put it in. Them two and the main anchors. It ain't going nowhere. It's gone through the floor, the ply, the floorboards. This toilet will be absolutely solid. So now I've just got to get it back into place and measure for the waste. Right, so I've got the toilet in. The pan connector, we just measured from there to the top of the pan, cut it down, put it in. Toilet's all connected there. Seats all in. They're actually quite good. The ideal ones, them just bolts that go straight through. Not impressed with the splashback you get off there, off that now. Okay, well, here's what it is. Yeah, toilet's all in, screwed back to the wall. So second fix is dead easy because there's no plug screws, just boom, straight into that wood. Yeah, we've got a working toilet. Put the toilet valve old one. So the customers show some accessories with this one. I don't normally do the accessories, but we're going to put the accessories on, of course we am. Of course we am. But yeah, that's all on. Wayne is nearly done with the floor now. So we can get the radiator in. I'm just going to mock up the basin just while he finishes off this lovely bit of flooring. But it's amazing how quick this has actually come together. Always find this in bathrooms. You just feel like this is never going to get done. It's never going to get done. All of a sudden, you start just putting stuff in, it starts all just coming together. And this is the point now where I think to myself, yeah, man, I love doing bathrooms. I don't. I don't. I really don't. It is nice when I'm done, but this is wrong time of year. I think it is for me. Doing this in November is not good. You know, not when my farm's falling up, people have got breakdowns. Well, go help you. I'm doing a bathroom, but it is for a good. You know what I mean? It's going to make a massive difference to a lot. So I'm happy with that, but. Yeah, I don't know. I think if I'm ever going to do bathrooms in the future, it'll be summer. It will. So I'm not. I think it's because I've got that much work and yeah, it's just stressed me out a little bit. But come on, let's get this basin in. Alright, so just in the basin, this has really annoyed me. Can you see? Where is it? This blue strip here. It went all the way to the top. It's supposed to be a pre-assembled unit, so it's nice and easy. Just fix it back to the wall, level it up. Happy days, right? I've had to take that out to get the protective layer off. How ridiculous. I think I'm going to have to take the bottom one off, but I can't get to the bottom. My blood pressure is rising. Hey, what a crap idea. I mean, I agree with this on the front because it helps protect it, but put it there. Come on. So, basin on it, you can see, put a thin layer of silicone on there. Your basins, make them up first, then you can just drop them on. So, what I'm going to do is pick that up, drop it on. And yeah, that's our first part work, all fixed, and it should be a doddle to do this, will. Really will. Basin all in. Did not see them put any silicone on the back of the basin. A lot of people do, but if you ever have to take that out, the best one's got silicone down the back of there, so I'll just put silicone all down here, and then afterwards I'll silicone around the front. All that, it'll be rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. There we go. While I've been doing them two, toilet in the basin, Wayne's got the tail radiator in. Dead easy, I've done a few tail radiators on this channel now. And to finish it all off, we've got the Talon snappy covers. Then actually the pack, so it'll take the crown bit, so you can move it up and down. That's big enough hole there for it to go on. Yeah, now it's looking, it's just getting there now. It's actually starting to look like a bathroom. Right, this is a nice position to be in. We're just going to be sealing up now. Everything's off the walls. To be fair, these flew in. They're just, yeah, once the floor was in, Bosch was in. What's took most of the time is cleaning the showers, right? They're more of an anti-slip. Just be careful with these, man, because they are an arsehole to bloody clean. Honestly, it took us forever, but that is all ready now. Seal up. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock now. Just got to seal it all up. Alright, that's it. All done. Floor's in. Boards are in. Look at the join on this board. Can you see? No, they've got on. Somewhere there. Yeah, it's a lot better for the customer. Toilet's gone back nice. Nice little vanity unit. Tail warmer there, floors all in. They want the glass shelf so that it's in reach of the seat because they are having a lot of problem with mobility. So grab balls there, you can grab onto that, get onto the seat, then get off the seat with that. All the cleaning products go there. Overhead shower with the handheld. Yeah, I think it's going to work out a lot better for them. Yeah, it's all done. That's it. Bathroom all done. Thank you very much for watching. Just a very quick note for people who get this far. It's extremely busy at the moment. It really is. So if you drop me a comment or give me a direct message asking for advice or help or anything like that, it is taking me a while to get back to people. I will always do my best to help people and reply to comments. I really do. But sometimes some of them slip through. So don't think I don't appreciate it. I do. It's just, it is peak silly season at the moment. It is crazy. So much, in fact, I'm going to try next week. I've got a conversion booked in 3 days. I'm going to try and fit a boiler in the evening. I might try and film them for them few days because it is going to be manic. I'll have to see how I get on. But say all my time and effort at the moment is out there trying to help people get the heat and hot water back on, stuff like that. But I do appreciate your support. I really do. Catch you on the next one.